Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the console or PC version and that the base game is fully updated. This matters because the data pack ties to specific builds. Once done, free at least 2050 GB of disk space and close launchers to prevent file locks. Make sure to back up your settings and note any custom DLC or mod folders so you won't overwrite them. You're doing this first to avoid wasted downloads and to ensure the data pack installs to the correct game build. You now queue the data pack from the official launcher or store. This ensures compatibility. While downloading, run the launcher's integrity or repair tool to verify files. If any file shows corrupted, force a re-download. If the download stalls or fails repeatedly, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall rules that might block large file writes, then restart the launcher. Make sure your network is stable. Use a wired connection or pause other heavy transfers so the verifier can complete without timing out. You finish by installing the data pack and launching the game to confirm the version or build number matches the expected update. Close the game before finalizing installs. Once launched, clear the shader cache and reset graphic presets if textures or models still fail to appear, because cached shaders often cause missing assets. If problems persist, reinstall just the data pack. If that fails, perform a full game reinstall. One quick tip: keep logs from the launcher. Those lines help support pinpoint the exact file error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.